Hello everyone! Last time, when we encountered an elder guardian and were cursed by it, we wished for a bucket of milk to remove the effect. Since then, in this world surrounded by oceans, we started hoping that one day we would find cows. But in Minecraft, there is another kind of cow that is even more unusual. It is called the mushroom. And by chance, on day 47, we finally found them. A mushroom is a special variant of the cow. It looks almost exactly like a normal cow, except that large mushrooms grow on its back and head. In Java Edition, an adult mushroom is about 1.4 blocks tall and 0.9 blocks wide. A baby mushroom is only half that size. Unlike normal cows, mushrooms do not appear in plains or forests. They naturally spawn only in the extremely rare mushroom fields biome. When the light level is high enough, red mushrooms spawn in groups of 4 to 8, with about a 5% chance for a baby to appear in the group. For most worlds, whether or not a player can find a mushroom often depends on discovering that legendary mushroom fields biome. Like normal cows, mushrooms have 10 health points and are passive mobs. They wander around peacefully, make low mooing sounds from time to time, and are attracted by wheat held by players. Two mushrooms can breed using wheat, and their breeding behavior is almost identical to that of normal cows. What truly makes mushrooms special is the resources they provide. If you use a bucket, you can milk a mushroom just like a normal cow and obtain milk. But if you use a bowl instead, the result is completely different. The mushroom will give you a bowl of mushroom stew directly. This means that with a single mushroom and a few empty bowls, a player can have an almost endless source of food. If a player uses shears on a mushroom, 5 mushrooms will drop from its body, and the mushroom itself will turn back into a normal cow. Those mushrooms never grow back. Because of this, some players have wondered if a mushroom is not actually a different species of cow at all. Perhaps it is simply a cow covered by a strange fungus. Of course, that is only a long-standing theory among the community. Besides the common red mushroom, there is an even rarer variant in the game, the brown mushroom. Brown mushrooms do not spawn naturally. They can only appear when lightning strikes a mushroom, causing red and brown variants to switch between each other. Because of this, in many worlds, players may never see one at all. The most unique ability of a brown mushroom is its connection to suspicious stew. If a player first feeds it a small flower and then uses a bowl, the result will no longer be ordinary mushroom stew. Instead, the player receives suspicious stew with a special effect. Different flowers provide different effects. For example, dandelions can give saturation, oxeye daisies can give regeneration, torch flowers can provide night vision. Because of this, the brown mushroom is one of the very few creatures in Minecraft that can directly produce food with status effects. For our island world, mushrooms may be one of the most valuable animals we could ever find. They provide milk, food, leather, and even special stews. And now, beyond the endless ocean, we have truly discovered a new land containing a mushroom fields biome. There, we found perhaps the strangest herd of cows in the entire world. As for whether we can one day bring them all the way back to our spawn island beyond the horizon, well, we'll just have to wait and see.